Hey everyone, in this video we are going to learn how to make a mold from our part so the part can be manufactured repeatedly. So let's get started. Let's go to File, New, select the part inch template. And then here we can get started by inserting and go to Part. I'm going to insert the ball I made before and put it here. Very good. And next, let's open up the mold tools. Right click here, Toolbars, Mold Tools. We can see this line of features for the mold tools. And from here, we can go to the parting lines, which is to define where the two molds meet. So let's click here. You can design many different faces, either here, here, or top here. For this ball example, I found the best place for the two molds to meet is on the top. So you can see we can click this face. And in the molding process, it is not like a vertical faces. So we use 1 degree to make it a little bit off vertical against the pull direction, which is up and down. Then once all done, let's click Draft Analysis. If you see a green part, that means the pull is okay. It can be easily pulled out. For the other direction, which is down in this case, you will see a red one because it's opposite. But as long as you see one side is all red, the other side is all green, that means your molding is good to go. And especially you can see on the bottom side here, it's all red. That's because we have taken care of the draft angle before when we make the part. Later I will demonstrate what would be wrong if our part is not designed with the mindset of molding. So let's keep going. Let's click OK. And let's go back to the isometric view. With this parting line ready, we can go to the next feature, which is the parting surface. For the parting surface, you can see it automatically picked the parting line we defined before. And we can adjust how big the parting surface should be. I want it to be outward, so you can cover the mold area we want next. So it should be bigger a little bit. And once it's okay, let's click OK. With this parting surface ready, we can go to the next one, which is the tooling split. We will create a core and a cavity size. So let's click it. Choose this parting surface. And let's go to the top view. And let's create a center rectangle. Be sure to cover all the parts, like this one. And click OK. You can further define the dimension or make it square to have a better mold. But right now, let's move on. Once you have defined the area you want to mold, then we can exit the sketch. And we will be here. Let's use the middle mouse to tweak it a little bit. So here, what we are checking is the core side and the cavity side are all covered, the whole part. In this case, it's all good. Otherwise, you can twist this dimension here. Then once we are all good, we can click OK. And you will see two parts are created. You can expand this solid bodies. You can see this is the bottom part, which is also called cavity. And this is the top part, which is also called core side. And next, I want to move here a little bit so I can see clearly what's inside. So let's go to this split tool, which is the core side. And let's go to Insert, Features, and then Move and Copy. And I'll just drag the Z axis up and click OK. Once done, let's go to this tooling split, which is the cavity side. Again, go to Insert, Features, Move and Copy. Drag the Z axis downward and click OK. And next, let's click the parting surface. Let's right click it, hide it. Once all done, we can see the bottom cavity side has a good way to shape our ball here. And also on the core side, we also have a good shape here. So by using these two molds, we can repeatedly manufacture our bolt very quickly. So basically, this is the major part of this video. But let's do something interesting. Go to the parting line here edit the feature. You see right now, one side is all green, one side is all red. But let's modify the ball to see what will change if this bottom side is not taken care of. So let's click OK first. In File, open a new one, open the ball, and then let's go to the second sketch. Edit it. Go to the front view, and then zoom in. So one thing I want you to know is this is 92 degrees, so it can nicely be pulled out. But if I change this to 90 degrees, it will be less easily to pull out. And click OK here. Exit sketch. And let's go back to our mode. And you see it will be automatically reconstructed. Go to the parting line again, edit. You see right now it's not all red. Right now this part is yellow. That means it's 90 degrees. It means it's no drift. It's not like a perfect condition, but it's not like the worst condition. And let's click OK. And then let's go back to our part. Let's edit the sketch again. Go to the front view. What if it's not 90 degrees? It's 88. And let's click OK. You can see if you pull the mold, the cavity side, like from here downward, this edge will block the passage. It's not gonna be pulled out easily, which is a bad drift angle. Let's exit the sketch and see in this one what would happen in the drift side. Let's go back to our mode. Click Stop and Repair. You can see something's wrong. Let's first check our parting line. Click Edit Feature. You can see here on the bottom side it's all red, but here it is a green part, which shouldn't happen. That means something's wrong. You should have one side all green, one side all red. Even the worst situation is just have some yellow. But right now, because this one is totally not in the direction of the pull downward, so it causes problem here. So that's why when we design a part, if you're gonna mold this part, then we always need to think about the drift angle. So first let's click OK. And then let's fix it back. Go to our part and click Sketch, edit it. Go to the front view. And then let's make it back. In order to modify it, let's remove this dimension first. And also this one. So it can easily be adjusted. So let's make it back to 90 first, and then 92. In this way, it can be easily pulled out. And this one you can just adjust. If you need, you can further define the dimension. Once you're done, click OK. Exit. Go back to our mode. See, everything is back to normal. Perfect. If we drag it back down, you see it's already all done. Final check. Checking the parting line. Edit the feature. One side is all red color, the other side is all green color, which is perfect. So this is our demo for using the mold tools to create a mold out of our ball part. I found this to be very interesting practice. So hopefully you would have fun out of it too. If you learned something from this video, please help me like the video, share the video, and subscribe to my channel. I will publish more videos about SolidWorks. Thank you.